Dude, you know that question that everybody in the world's been trying to answer their entire life? Is the Earth really round? Is space fake? How does Big Al's make their sub sauce? No, you dumb son of a bitch. What came first, the chicken or the egg? Holy shit. Yeah, holy shit. I got the answer. How did you get the answer? I ordered a chicken and an egg from Amazon. Guess what came first? You're about to blow my mind. What came first? It was